This tutorial covers how to configure the One-Key Disarming feature in the Alibi Vigilant Mobile 2 app. There are two ways to adjust this setting. The first method is to tap the green icon shown here. This action instantly disarms all alarm sounds, lights, and any alarm outputs linked from the recorder or connected IP cameras. It also disables alarm notifications, including push notifications and email alerts. Tap OK to confirm. To rearm the device, simply tap the icon again. This is the recommended option for devices running the latest firmware. The second method is accessed by tapping the three dots on the right. Then selecting Set. Choose your device, open Disarm Alarm Linkage, and toggle the Disarm Alarm Linkage switch. Tap the switch again to rearm. And that's how to configure the One-Key Disarming function on the Alibi Vigilant Mobile 2 app. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other tutorials for more helpful tips and features.